Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Hadidi Makeovers and Happy New Year once again. I'm going to be showing you how to tie the Zara Bahari with a black material, just with a little bit of a twist. So if you're joining us here for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and also comment. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to the family. So as you can see, I just folded the headtie in a triangular shape, and then the top part of the headtie I just folded it as you can see, as you have seen on the video. I'm going to be tying that behind her head, placing it and then tying it just the normal Zara Buhari way. You can leave the headtie like this if you want it like that, but just to add a little bit of twist to it, you can do whatever it is you want at the beginning. Just make sure your headtie is looking neat. That is just the secret. I've always told you this is either you make it look, the pleats are neat, or if you're tying something like this, you make sure the headtie is looking neat. So as you can see, I just placed the black veil on and then twisted it, and then boom, this is it. And then after tying it, I'm just going to go ahead to just adjust it behind, just to give it a little bit of a style like that, and boom, that is it guys. It's not very hard, it's not very, like, it's nothing to be to something about, just simple. So guys, thank you for joining us here again for this year. If you want to watch how we created her makeup look, I'm going to be leaving a link down below on the description box so that you guys will go watch that, and yeah, watch my videos. You can binge on my videos and everything like that. I love you guys so much. You guys are the real MVPs, guys. I love you guys so much. This is Hadidi Makeovers right here. Happy New Year guys, and that's just it. I'll see you guys this week Tuesday. Anything you want to see on this video, you guys should please send me a DM, or just send a picture of whatever it is you want me to recreate, tie or anything like that. If I can do it, I'll just make a video on that. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.